Vishnu.
Dinesh.
Sendil, I'm from Coimbatore.
So you guys are staying here or you guys came?
No, we
I
traveled
came from Chennai.
Chennai. So what do you think about today's match?
It's going to be exciting because it's a South Indian derby.
And do you expect some dramas like last game, Goa, Chennai, Kerala? There was
I
some
guess
drama
there will
over-
be some drama, but we hope there isn't because it's all about the spirit of sports.
Wear the Zidane mask. It will be Marco will remember the World Cup victory only. No,
It doesn't really matter
Yeah.
the Zidane mask.
It doesn't matter.
Mind
He-
the silly sorry. At least for him, not
So you guys are
matter.
cool with that? You don't
Yeah,
feel like
sure.
okay, that's
No,
something
but
like
actually,
No,
if you're looking
not
at the
at all.
spirit of sports, is bad. But to say in reality, it really doesn't matter because we have not to tell anything bad about you guys. We are champions, and about Marco Materazzi, he's won everything. So it really doesn't matter.
So the last match for Kerala they won, but last match of Chennai they lost for 4-1.
Yeah,
so
we know.
What do you think about today's game?
Today,
And from the our mistake, and
only
I
we
hope Marco must be correct our problem minus points. We must rise from
We'll
the
bounce back from the
feet
looking for the
from the
right
loss like a phoenix
We
bird.
have the players, but the right combination he's trying to
Last
fix.
time the combination or the first two season it was JJ, Elano and Mendoza.
Mendoza, yeah.
So this time you guys doesn't have.
We are looking for a Suchi Peluso kind of a with JJ and with Thoy is being just come out of injury. Thoy is
And
there.
Jayesh Rana, what do you-
Jayesh Rani, they just Marco has to just bring out the right mix. That's what we are waiting for.
And what about your marquee player Rize?
Rize, yeah, he's doing good, but like
Is he up to the mark?
I would say he is, but only thing is like a centre back can't do everything. So there has to be a right combination. So Eli Sabia and Mendy are doing good, and Eli Sabia and Rize are doing good.
The best.
So what do
So
you think
sure.
about
Without
today's
you
game?
did,
How many goals and who gonna win it?
We don't know. We're just hoping some.
To be frank, not as a Chennai supporter.
No. To be frank, I just want a good game to be there. That's all we expect about. That's what this ISL is all about, to promote football.
If there is some drama like fights and all, you gonna enjoy it or?
No, obviously we wouldn't encourage it because we are going to be outnumbered by many and we're going to be
We
thrashed
don't
out.
have chance to go Dermont, but so that's why we come here for enjoy your passion of love in football.
That's really good for the Kerala fans.
Yeah,
And
we enjoy the
appreciate
environment.
the Kerala fans because they come out in huge numbers and always are there. So
Very much
Chennai is coming up in that way. Kerala has been through the roots. It's there. Football is there.
So do you guys travel to everywhere,
No, this is because I'm a student. I had my semester's exams right now, and Kochi is nearby.
Mostly we are trying to cover all the away matches.
Okay. And what about today's match? Like how many goals and who gonna win it?
Like obviously it's
We
about
don't-
CFC only. We came
We
here
are
for
supposed CFC,
Yeah.
but hope it's a victory for us because we've
If
been
there's
having
a
a.
goal from Chennai, who gonna score it?
We want JJ or
Yeah,
Suchi
surely
or Peluso.
JJ.
Each and everyone for me, not
Yeah.
Or a dramatic goal like last match in
games like,
the Mendy
Mendy
goal.
also can score.
Find some bicycle shot from Mendy too. So you
We can
expect
expect
some
goals from
unexpected
all the
from,
ranges, midfield,
so-
defense and strike.
So Chennai FC காக ஒரு ஓம் போடுறீங்களா?
Oh!